How to download HBO Max on Samsung Smart TV. Method number 1. Downloading directly from the Samsung App Store. Step number 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your Samsung Smart TV is from 2016 or newer, as HBO Max is compatible with these models. Step number 2. Connect your TV to the internet. Ensure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or a wired internet connection for a stable download. Step number 3. Access the Samsung Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub menu. Step number 4. Go to the Apps section. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate to Apps and select it. Step number 5. Search for HBO Max. Use the search option in the Apps section, type HBO Max, and select it from the results. Step number 6. Install HBO Max. Select Install to download and install the HBO Max app on your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 7. Open HBO Max. After installation, return to the home screen, find HBO Max in your apps list, and open it. Step number 8. Sign in to HBO Max. Log in using your HBO Max account credentials to start streaming. Method number 2. Using screen mirroring from a mobile device, if HBO Max isn't available. Step number 1. Enable screen mirroring on Samsung TV. Go to Settings, General, External Device Manager, Device Connect Manager on your Samsung TV. Ensure that screen mirroring is enabled. Step number 2. Open HBO Max on your mobile device. Open the HBO Max app on your smartphone and sign in. Step number 3. Mirror to your TV. For Android, use Smart View in Quick Settings to connect to your Samsung TV. For iPhone, use screen mirroring from the control center, then select your Samsung TV. Step number 4. Start streaming. Choose content to play on HBO Max, and it should be mirrored on your Samsung TV.